Okay, very good morning, everyone. So, till yesterday, we have learned how to add the decimal number. So, kindly, quickly tell me if anyone having any doubts in any particular question related to the previous chapter or previous exercise or previous topic which we have learned. So, I am giving slightly time. Quickly tell me in message. Just write the exercise number and question number if you have doubts, or if you don't have any doubts, you just simply tell you don't have any doubts. Okay. The next topic which we have is the subtraction of decimals. So subtraction of decimal is our next topic. Before that, we have learned how to add the decimals. It is like that only, similar thing. Okay. Just quickly tell me, Anuraj don't have any doubts. Rest of all, if you don't have any doubts, quickly tell you don't have. If you have, you just write the exercise number and question number. अगर डाउट्स है तो एक्सरसाइज नंबर और क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखो. अगर नहीं है, okay. Drishti also don't have any doubts. Okay. Anyone else? What about the rest of all? Divyanshi, Puneet, Tripti, Prince, Harsraj. What about you all? Okay, no doubts. Okay, let us start then the next topic, because the previous topics was very easy, addition only. Just you have to keep in mind to how to arrange the number in decimals places. I mean, वो जो जब हम लोग ऐड करते हैं तो वो all the numbers should be in decimal places. That's all, right? वो ध्यान में रखना है. चलिए, to verify, I am giving one addition from the previous chapter. Okay, and tell me the answer. What will be the answer? Add. Okay, I am giving some decimal number. 2 decimal 3 plus 47 decimal 4 plus 324 decimal 25. So quickly add this, everyone, and tell me what is the answer. This is the one of the question from the previous exercise which I have given. I am repeating the question, which is 2 decimal 3 plus 47 decimal 4 plus 324 decimal 25. So these are the three numbers which I have given. You have to just add and tell me the sum. What will be the sum? So this is the addition. Actually, the topic I have written for the today's discussion. This is the related to the addition of decimal number. Okay, so here it is given that add, so you have to add, sign also given, addition sign. Quickly you need to solve this. I have given from my side. There is no any questions, such type of questions in your exercise. So quickly solve in your classwork copy and tell me the answer. So jaldi से, whoever the video is start your video. जिसका भी video बंद किया हुआ है, video start रहना चाहिए. Video should not be stopped. Everyone's video should be start, and whatever doubts you have, you can write in message, or you can answer whatever the answer you are getting. So I am giving some time to solve this. Quickly solve this and tell me what will the answer. Okay, the most important thing, I want to know that how many of you are aware about how to arrange the decimal number for addition. If you know, then I will go ahead. I am waiting for the response. Didn't get any answer from anyone. So quickly arrange this all number, everyone, and tell me the answer. First answer given by Anuraj, which is 32499. So let us verify this now. So to add, we will first arrange this all number. So first thing is to make all the number in unit. So after decimal, the largest digit which we have is the 2-digit number, right? 2 digit का नंबर है, तो हमें इसको भी 2 digit बनाने के लिए we have to put 1 0. इसको भी इसके बाद 2 digit बनाने के लिए we have to put 1 0. So it will become 2 decimal, और थोड़ा सा इधर लिखते हैं 2.30 हो जाएगा. This will become 47.40 and this will become 324.25. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा. Now you have to add this. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9. After then 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 is 3, 1 carry. So 1 carry. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And this is 3. So 3. Before 2-digit decimal we have to put, so decimal. So here 373.95 rupees is the answer coming. So I cannot see anyone has given this answer. So that means you all have problem in this type of addition. So 373.95 is coming the sum. ये sum आ रहा है. यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग इस तरह से इसको अरेंज किए हैं. देखो कि ऑल द डेसिमल नंबर इज इन ए लाइन. ठीक है, उसको करने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना है. जस्ट यू हैव टू चेक कि आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर. 2 डिजिट्स आर देयर. सो यहाँ पे भी 2 डिजिट करने के लिए यू हैव टू पुट 1 0 आफ्टर 4 एंड हियर आल्सो यू हैव टू पुट 1 0 आफ्टर 3 एंड आफ्टर देन यू कैन ऐड. अगर नॉर्मल एडिशन के लिए आप सिंपली नॉर्मल एडिशन जैसा ऐड कर दोगे देन इट विल बी रॉन्ग. ये गलत हो जाएगा देन. ठीक है, और इस तरह से अरेंज किया हुआ है. आप देख सकते हो आपका जो एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है सम का, तो उसमें अरेंज किया हुआ है. सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जाम और एट द टाइम ऑफ टेस्ट ऑल्सो इट इज अरेंज्ड इन सच ए वे. तो उसको आपको अरेंज खुद से करना है और अरेंज इस तरह से करना है. ठीक है, कि डेसिमल प्लेसेस जो है वो प्रॉपर्ली होना चाहिए और आफ्टर डेसिमल अगर कोई डिजिट कम है तो उसको मैक्सिमम जितना डिजिट है आफ्टर डेसिमल उतना बनाना है. ठीक है, सो दिस वन अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन. 373.95. yes. so now let's move to the subtraction. अभी हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्शन पे मूव करते हैं. एडिशन से रिलेटेड कुछ और अगर डाउट्स हो तो आप लोग पूछ लेना. ओके, द सब्ट्रैक्शन इज आल्सो लाइक दिस ओनली सिमिलर. सो इन सब्ट्रैक्शंस यू डोंट हैव सो मच प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज हियर ओनली 2 डिजिट्स यू विल गेट. ओके, सो एज लाइक yesterday also we have discussed one of the question and here also let us discuss another question which is it is asking subtract decimal 5 from suppose 3.4. so the number is 3.4. from 3.4 you have to subtract decimal 5. so decimal 5 means before decimal there is no any digit, so we will put 0. okay, and here we have 3.4, so we will subtract from 3.4 we will subtract 0.5. so therefore 3.4 minus 0.5, whatever the result it is asking, we have to give the answers or we have to find out. so here we are doing, so here we have is 3.4 and we are subtracting 0.5. so if you subtract this it will be 9. okay, and this will be 2. before 1 digit decimal is there, show here. so 2.9. so 2.9 will be the required difference. so this is how very simply you can find the difference of any decimal number or you can find the subtractions of any decimal number. okay, so I am not getting especially proper response from maximum of the students. ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स से कोई अच्छे रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, तो आप लोग खुद से भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस बनाने का कोशिश करें. okay, so one more questions I am giving. try to solve by yourself this one related to the subtraction of decimal number. so the question is subtract 25.8 from 50.12. So 50.12 from 50.12 you have to subtract this much. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान ये रखना है कि देखो आफ्टर डेसिमल 1 डिजिट है एंड हियर आफ्टर डेसिमल 2 डिजिट. सो हियर आफ्टर 8 you have to give 1 0, राइट? तो ये 0 देके इसके बाद आपको subtractions करना है. So how it will be, how much it will be? So 50.12 minus 25.8. This is the thing which it is asking about. Okay, so let us see how much is the answer coming if you subtract here. Okay, 50.12. Here you can write 80. Okay, so we have to subtract 25.80. Okay, so here 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 3. So here it will be 4, right? Here it will be 4 because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be 9, and then this will be 2, right? This will be 2 because 5 will be 4. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2, 4 before 2 digit decimal should 24.32. So the difference will become 24.32. So very simply this is how you have to subtract. Yes, 24.32. Very nice, correct answer. So this is how we can do the subtraction. Now except this nothing else. Sometime it may be asked to find the difference with the whole number also. So what the whole number means, it may be it is asking to subtract 25.8 from 50. तो क्या करेंगे हम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेसिमल है ही नहीं, so after decimal we will put 200. That's all. Okay, so let us see that type of one question wherein we have to subtract decimal number from a whole number. As like subtract 27.83 from 40. So from 40 you have to subtract this much. So here after decimal 2 digit we have, but here after decimal there is no any digit or there is no any decimal we can say. So what we can write that is, from 40 we have to subtract, to 40.00 we can write. We have to subtract 27.83. So let us see how much is the difference coming. So 40.00 we are subtracting 27.83. So if you subtract this is 7. Okay, this will be 9, then this will be 1. Okay, then this will again be 9. So 7, 8, 9, 2. Okay, and this will be 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And before 2 digit decimal is here. So 12.17. So 12.17 means 12.17 is the answer coming, right? So this is how very simply, बहुत ही इजीली आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो कोई भी नंबर के केस में, ठीक है? Yes, 32.132. How 32? 27 is this, na? It's 12.17. Okay. So this is how we'll do the rest of all subtraction of this particular chapter, this particular exercise. Anyone having any doubts from this chapter, kindly once go through the exercise and quickly tell me. अगर ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपको दिख रहा है which you think or which you are not understanding or which you think you will not be able to solve, कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज 9.5 में जो आपको लगता है हमें डिस्कस करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई विल गिव द होमवर्क एज एक्सरसाइज 9.5. सो Quickly check everyone and tell me, because only 2 questions which we have, this also you can do in your book only, because the space is there. One question is related to the matching, another question is related to the subtraction. So for matching one you can use the rough copy, and the subtraction one you can do directly, that's all. So everyone quickly check the exercise 9.5's all questions and ask if you have any doubts, if you are not understanding any question. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आ रहा है 9.5 का, एक बार देख के बताएं. Everyone doing in your classwork copy ना, these all things whatever I am explaining, जो भी मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, जो भी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं, जो भी पढ़ाते हैं सारे टीचर्स, ये आप क्लासवर्क कॉपी में नोट करते हो ना सारे. The next, basically the most important thing we will learn, that is related to why we are learning these all things. I mean, whatever the mathematics chapter or whatever the topic we used to learn, there is some practical uses of it. और वो हम लोग सबसे लास्ट में पढ़ते हैं. ये सारे जो है ये डीप कैलकुलेशंस है जो अभी हम लोग ने पढ़ा, अभी तक पढ़ा. एट द लास्ट, व्हेनेवर इन एवरी टॉपिक यू माइट हैव सीन there are some word problems. So word problems means what? The real problems which we may face in our daily life. So those questions are very important, because अभी हम लोग जो एक्चुअली पढ़ेंगे वही यूजेस होगा, that will be used in your daily life. तो डेसिमल नंबर का बहुत सारी जगह यूज होता है, एज लाइक कन्वर्जन में यूज होता है, एज लाइक कैश का ट्रांजेक्शन्स में यूज होता है, बिकॉज डेसिमल के बाद बारी आता है यहाँ पे रुपीज और पैसे में. उसके बाद सेंटीमीटर मीटर में यूज होता है इन मेजरिंग द लेंथ एंड ऑल. हाँ, उसके बाद देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ units wherein these all things are used. So that is why first basic thing we used to learn how to convert, how to add, how to subtract, and these all things. After then, when we come to the conclusion, then we started using started learning the uses of the particular topic. So basically the next topic or in next class we will learn what are the uses whatever we have learned in this particular chapter. ये चैप्टर में जो भी हम लोग ने पढ़ा इसका रियल लाइफ में क्या यूज है, डेली लाइफ में क्या यूज है, ये हम लोग देखेंगे. ठीक है. तो सर नंबर वन व्हाट? नंबर वन you not understood, you have to match. Exercise 9.5 one number, Abhishek Raj have doubts, so I am explaining this, you have to match. So first one is done for you, पहला वाला आपके लिए बनाया हुआ है. दूसरा वन, सेकंड वन इज 2.75 minus 1.28. So this is the difference you have to find. This is the subtraction. So what you will do is you will subtract this in your rough copy and check this whatever the difference is coming, and then you have to match it. So let us check how much will be the difference coming. So 2.75 and 1.28. So just you subtract this and check. So 8 plus how much is 15? 8 plus 7, right? Right. 8 plus 7 is 15. And because this is 15, you have taken 1, so this will be 6. So 4 plus, so 2 plus 4 is 6. Right. After then, this is 1. So before 2-digit decimal, so 1.747. So which one is 1.47? Option number E. So this will be matched with option number E, which we have is 1.47. That's all. इस तरह से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बनाना है. ठीक है. अभिषेक राज अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आ गया? उसी तरह से बाकी सब का भी डिफरेंस निकालना है. डिफरेंस निकाल के इस तरह से चेक करना है व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस कमिंग, एंड यू हैव टू मैच इन थ्रू दैट साइड. ओके, अनदर साइड मैचिंग करना है, और सेकंड वाला जो है सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. दैट्स ऑल. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. इफ एनी एल्स डाउट्स रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक you can ask. Today's homework is to do 9.5 and today's classwork is subtraction of decimal. Today's classwork is subtraction of decimal, today's homework is exercise 9.5. Okay. Okay, very nice. Thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.